Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a pair of busted headphones. These belong to my wife, and she stepped on them, so I got to fix them. So here we go. Alright, these are the busted headphones, and you don't want to work on it like this because it's too springy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this piece out. That should slide right out like that. And what we're going to use is we're going to use a product called JB Weld. This stuff works great. You should definitely have a couple of tubes of this in your house. I fix eyeglasses with this and everything. And all we're going to do is, I have an old birthday card over here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put equal amounts from each tube on this card. And I'm going to take the other tube. I'm going to put just as much. Do equal amounts, just like that. I'll seal this one up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip a piece of cardboard up, and I'm just going to mix it up. Just like that. I'm going to get it nice and mixed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the busted piece of one side and I'm going to put a generous amount on. And do it on the inside and the outside. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to get the other side as well, side of the actual headphone, and I'll put a generous amount on that as well. And when this stuff hardens, it really holds. This is better than any type of glue. And you can find this on Amazon or get it at an auto parts store. And now what I'm going to do is just put the two parts together. Just like that. And I'm going to just try to smooth it out a little bit. It's not too sloppy. Just hold it there for a second or two. Alright, once it starts to harden, it would be good if you could position it in something so it stays in the position you want it to stay in. I'm just using a clamp. I have it clamped very lightly just so it's going to stay upright and not, it could still move. I don't want it to be frozen. So we'll let that dry overnight, and tomorrow we'll put it back together. Alright, it's the next morning. I'm going to unclamp it. There we go. Fixed, good as new. And it dries almost to the black plastic color. It's not too unsightly. But the point is, these expensive headphones now work again. Alright, now the true test. Can I get them on my head? There we go. Eureka. Another fix thanks to JB Weld. Good product to have. I'll put a link to where you can buy it below in the description box. As always, please subscribe. I always got handy tips. I'll see you next time.